how you going? Now, what am I going to show you today? I think I mentioned yesterday that I was going to do eyebrows. Yes, I was. You know, like I did my makeup today, all excited with my new technique. I look like I'm going to a horror party. But, you know, that's all good. It's not the way I thought I was doing a good job, and then looked at the black, looked at my makeup, but that's all good. All right. Now, what do you get with this eyebrow kit? You get stencils, a whole heap of stencils. So you choose the ones that you want. There's a whole heap of them. You get eyebrow shaver, which I'm not going to use because I barely have any eyebrows. I've had mine tattooed, and I tell you, professionally by someone who's supposed to be great, absolute disaster. But anyway, and you get some spoolies. Okay, whoops. So anyway, put those down. Now, yes, I do have eyebrows. Do I correct them or do I cover them up? What I might do, I might put powder over it. Why don't I make a mess with the rest of my face, hey? All right, let's do this. And then I'll do the eyebrow thing. And let's see what happens. Yeah. Look, I'm not very good at doing these kinds of things. Oh, look at that. Should have had my hair up, but anyway, let's just tuck it behind the flappy earlobes. There we go. Right, so this is purely for doing my eyebrows. Now, I was doing this one. So you put it, I don't know if you can tell, there's like a little dip that you put in between. And I need to tell you that these are probably more accurate. My eyebrows are so not even. Anyway, that's another story, right? We're just here to draw on the eyebrow. I think these are the ones that fit the best. Okay, so the idea is that you get your stencil, comb your eyebrows into position, maybe shave a little bit so that it all fits in there. And then you use this thing like a stamper and you colour in your eyebrows. So let's see how that goes. I'm going to need to be quiet for a bit. It's going to be a bit hard for me, but otherwise end up looking like, what's his name? Oscar the Grouch. Yeah, with those. Did he have eyebrows? No, but I think I know who had big bushy eyebrows. Bernie did. You know, Bert and Ernie. Okay, this is really hard to hold into position, but anyway, I'll give it a go. And maybe a little bit more, make it nice and dark. Hey, if we're going to mess it up, let's mess it up good, hey? All right. What does that look like? Actually, that looks not bad. Probably should have had something else. Okay. So there's that one. Let's try the other side. That's the eyeshadow. Yeah. Okay, let's try the other side. Make sure that it's in the middle. Maybe draw a line on your nose. That might be helpful. Ah. Okay. Yeah, that's really hard. Might need to hold it like that. Yeah, no. I can already tell that it's going to be a bad job. Which is why you need to shave them, but that's not going to work for me because my eyebrows are tattooed. You know, they look okay. They look a bit weird though. But because my eyebrows are so badly done, looking at it through the film, the camera, the phone, it looks good, but they're not actually good. I'll show you why. See, that side's okay. Yep, I seriously need to fix my eyebrows, but it does change your look a lot too. You know what? If you've got even eyebrows, I think the stencil's really good. It can change the look. If you're going at night, you might be able to pencil in a few bits. But for me, this eyebrow's really good. Yeah, perfect. And yet this one is an absolute disaster. So I'm gonna have to fix that up. So, would I buy it for myself or do this again? I'm not sure, probably not. I can't go out like that. That's, even though they look good, my eyebrows are so uneven, that's probably not a good idea for me. Anyway, that's all I have to say about this eyebrow stencil. If this is the kind of thing you like to, you know, learn about, find out about, and you like to watch people doing skincare on their face, maybe the odd procedure, like and subscribe to my channel because we are going to have a lot of fun. Thank you. Bye.